one of our, let's call us like, first in line, paving our ways, especially for our young leaders. Thank you, Sir Dario. Before we start the induction, before I call Sir Ray for as an inductee, may I call Sir Hajal Gato, KGOR lifetime member, Area 1 Deputy Commander, to present the new Executive Board of Montreal Chapter.
Ito ko.
Start na ba?
Ay, program nandyan pala.
Hello, hello. Good evening, brothers. Night. It's my honor to introduce to you the new elected Montreal chapter officers. The chapter commander, the new chapter commander of Montreal is Sir Abel Gumangan, KCR LM. Come forward, please. Deputy Chapter Commander Sir Ali Ansagay, KCR LM. Chancellor Sir Henry Gumangan, KCR LM. Pursuant Sir Aristotle Kayabya is PR. Deputy Pursuant Sir Jennifer Camacho, TCR LM. Executor Sir Nixon Dibira, TCR LM. Deputy Executor Sir Eugenio Cadano, TCR LM. Archivist Sir Danny Novida, KCRLM, and Auditor Sir Rinaldo Racayo, KCRLM.
Wala.
And the trustees, Sir Ayus Varela KR, Sir Nino CR Mora Largo, KCRLM, Sir Honyo Bona, KCR LM, Sir Chupulu Alvarado, KCR LM, and the advisor, Sir Hector Rahoya, KCR LM, Sir Ismael Kalawan, KCR LM, and the one the good gentleman over here, Sir Julan Vino, KCR LM. Thank you very much. Thank you, Sir Julan.
May I now call Sir Ray Balance, Knight Grand Commander of Rizal, lifetime member, Regional Commander of Western Canada Region, to take charge of the ceremony for the induction of the Montreal chapter.
Walang dalawa. Okay, good evening to everybody. Tonight we are going to sworn the new set of officers for the Montreal chapter to make them officially officers of that chapter. So, may I ask you to raise your right hand if you follow after me. This is an oath of office. I will mention your name. Do solemnly swear
Do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully,
that I will faithfully,
conscientiously
conscientiously
fulfill to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability,
my duties as
my duties as
mentioned your position.
Commander, Montreal Chapter Area 1, Eastern Canada. Chapter Commander, Montreal Chapter Area 1, Eastern Canada.
Observe, follow in accord
Following all
this constitution and bylaws,
this constitution and bylaws,
and obey such rules
and obey such rules
and regulations
and regulations
prescribed by the Supreme Council,
prescribed by the Supreme Council,
the Council of Elders,
the Council of Elders,
and the Chapter Council
and the Chapter Council
may promulgate
may promulgate
from time to time.
from time to time
I impose upon myself
that I impose upon myself
this obligation voluntarily
this obligation voluntarily
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
nor purpose of evasion.
nor purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
You have to sign your name there. Then it says here, in witness whereof,
And with this,
I have heard to affix my signature this 28th day of November 2025, the city of Montreal, province of Quebec. Subscribed in Zone 2 before this date, 28 May, Alinaldo Balanci, the regional commander, and at the same time, I'm also the commissioner of courts in entire Canada. So thank you, you are now officially sworn as officers. We hope that according to the speech of our past regional commander, you have sworn to us to perform the duties and obligation and to uphold the ideal and teaching of our national hero, Dr. Tirsa. Okay, so thank you very much. If you may shake hand with them.
Congratulations to the newly inducted officer. A round of applause, please.
So yan guys, congratulate sila ng kanilang fellow knights, mga sir knights. Fraternal hug at
Picture taking.
fraternal hug sila at handshake. Okay, so thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.